No fancy restaurant rules here. On this channel, we just love cooking good and honest food. Welcome to Craving Kitchen. This is your go-to space for easy, accessible, and deeply comforting meals that anyone can recreate at home. But we don't just show you the steps. Sometimes we are sharing the essential, common tips to help your dishes taste completely original and classic. And surely you can also recreate with your own version.
Simple food and happy hearts, good memories we share.
You will learn simple, time-tested hacks that unlock that authentic lutong bahay taste using basic ingredients you already have in your pantry. And most importantly, we cook what we crave. So what are you craving now? Share it in the comments below so we can cook it here for everybody. Hit that subscribe button and let's bring back the heart and soul of classic home cooking.